Hello everyone, and welcome back to My Crafting World. This is Anna. I had participated in Created to Create's Christmas swap, and I forget the exact name that she uses. Anyway, it was a Christmas swap, and I got this package a couple of weeks ago, I think, and I just have not opened them because I've been so busy. So I thought I would go ahead and open those and see what is included in these packages. So I'm going to set one aside, and that one just because it's on my right hand side. And I wanted to show you, look at that. Isn't that little tag so adorable? Oh my goodness, he is so cute. So I think she may have used one of the paper pads from Michael's. And yeah, there was her to and from on the back, and this is the Secret Santa swap is what it was. The 2019 Secret Santa swap hosted by Created to Create, which is Miss Ida Martinez. And this package comes from Migdalia Rodriguez and Instagram Migdalia. And okay, so 5 of our favorite crafty items are adhesive, markers, ribbon, flowers, and dies. So I'm going to look to see if she has a YouTube channel and link it in the description box. And if she doesn't, I'll just link her Instagram and whatnot in there. So she used some glittery, I don't want to tear it. Some glittery ribbon on there, and it's so pretty. I have to use it on something. Look at that. That is so pretty. And I love that tag. It is so pretty. I think I am going to use that in one of my Christmas gifts. That's so pretty. Thank you so much, Miss Migdalia. And well, she's got some red crinkle paper in there, dressing it up a little, and then she's got everything wrapped in a clear bag so it all stays together. Alrighty, here we go. All right, so let's move this out of the way, and let's see what is in this little bag. Oh, it looks like some yummies. You know what, guys, I'm gonna put this in my little sleigh that I showed you. Yes, I'm going to do that. Oh, I love these mints. And she's got some Werthers in there. Hang on just a second, guys. Excited. I put those in my sleigh, and thank you so much, Migdalia. I was so excited to see that. Okay, guys, so this is a numbered, this is number 1. She put a cute little bow, and she wrapped everything in green paper. So let me save this bow because I know I can use it on something. Alrighty. You guys know I love bows. So there's her little bow. This is number 1. Okay, so yay. Okay. This is the Alien's Tacky Glue, and I was actually going to go out and get one of these because these are the ones that stand this way, and try this. I like their glue, but I like the fact that this one stands up and it's always ready to go. So thank you so much, Migdalia. I really was going to go out and get one, so now I don't have to. Thank you, ma'am. And then this is number 2. So let's open number 2. All right, guys. You know, I love my markers, and you know I love the gold. I don't have the silver, but you know, great for dark surfaces. You know I love my markers. Thank you so much, Migdalia. I love these. Okay, and that number 3, we have, oh, some beautiful ribbon. Look at this. Look at this ribbon. It's so pretty. Some beautiful blue. I know you can't tell very well. Let's see. There we go. Some beautiful blue and some crimson color. Oh my gosh, those are pretty. Can you see some bows out of these? I can. Those are pretty. Thank you, Migdalia. Love that. That was number 3. Number 4. Here's number 4. Uh-oh, we got a die, guys. Oh, we've got a couple of dies. Look at this pretty Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, that one, I do not have this tree. That is so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful tree. Love that. Thank you. Oh my goodness, can't wait to use that. Love it. See, I don't know why I didn't open this sooner. And then this is another Spellbinders die, and this is called Wreath. And this is so pretty. This is a beautiful, beautiful die. I have used this one before, and not quite this way, but I have used it, and I love this die. Love it. Thank you so much, ma'am. I really do appreciate that. And that was 4. This is number 5. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at those flowers. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh my goodness. These are Prima flowers. And these are in the, like the rustic colors, the camel color, beige. Those are so pretty. Oh yes, I know I will use these for sure. And then, oh, look at these. These are so adorable. They're also Prima flowers. Gosh, these are so pretty. I don't have either one of those. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Migdalia. These are very, very cute. Love them. And then she sent an extra goodie. She sent some flat back bling or pearls in this beautiful red color, and then this blue color that match the ribbons. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you, Migdalia. I sincerely appreciate everything that you sent, and I love it all of it. Love it. All right, guys, that is what Miss Migdalia sent in her package. Okay, let me grab the other package. Let me move this, grab the other package, and we'll see what's in there. All right, guys, here is package number 2, and beautiful tag as well. Secret Santa Swap 2019. Hostess Ida Created to Create, and this comes from Becky Long, YouTube Becky Long. So I'll look for her YouTube channel as well and get that into the description box. Okay guys, I didn't want to take all your time trying to untie that ribbon that we will be reusing, and this is a very pretty tag. I like the scalloped edge. All right, so it is wrapped in tissue. Ho ho ho. And then red underneath. And we will remove this. Oh yes, look at that, we got more candy. And it comes in a clear bag, so we will remove that. Look at that, guys. Wow, we have got some more candy. So hang on just a second. Okay guys, so I put the candy in my little candy hot cocoa caddy that I showed you previously, and of course this bag is very reusable, and I'm going to insert a picture of the caddy with the candy in it at the end. So here we go. She also has some crinkle paper in there, dressing it up really pretty. And oh, she made a little like an envelope. Oh, and it's held together with a clothespin with a cute little Santa on the front. That's so cute. Okay guys, I don't know what to open first, but let's open this one. This is Oh, there's a shaker in there. This is a little notepad. That crinkle paper is so pretty. Okay, so this is a little notepad, and she's got some stickers in there. She's got a little notepad that she dressed up. There we go. And then she's got a couple of holiday pencils or Christmas pencils. That's so pretty. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, and look at this tag, to and from. Look at that. That's so cute. You know, guys, I just don't make shaker tags, but I should. Those are so pretty. Oh, I love to shake them. Pretty, pretty. I love that. Thank you, ma'am. And then right here, she has included some AdTech crafters tape. You know, I've never actually tried this one. I have my ATG, but this is so cool. I can't wait to try that. So I'm going to try that here pretty soon. And then she has included some flowers, blue, and then an off-white and pink. You guys know I love my flowers. Cute little topper, ho ho ho. That's pretty. I don't remember seeing this anywhere. And then she's got it backed on this striped paper. Very pretty. Thank you, ma'am. And then she's got this cute little tag, almost envelope. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. So in there, oh, we have a, that is so pretty. That is a Spellbinders die. And it says believe. I love that. I do not have this for sure. Love that. Thank you so much. I love that. Hang on, guys. Becky. I'm so sorry, Becky. I kind of forgot your name. So that is so pretty. I love that die. Look at that. It says believe. So pretty. I should open it. Just because I love dies. And I can't wait to use this. Okay, so maybe I won't open it. It's going to take too long. But I love that. That's so pretty. Thank you so much, Becky. And then she has included some enamel dots. Guys, you know I love my enamel dots. Very pretty color by My Mind's Eye. Oh, look at that. On the back, she included some flat back pearls. And then some tiny flowers. Look at that. Oh my goodness, those are so tiny. Love that. I don't know if my lighting has been okay. So those are so pretty. Love that. Thank you so much, Becky. And then she has also included, ooh, look at that. She has included some really pretty trim. I have to open that. Oh my goodness, isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, there's more than one kind here. There's another one. There is another trim. Look at that. Beautiful trim. Oh my gosh, they're both beautiful. Thank you so much, Becky. I love them both very much, because I do love my trims. And then this little card that she made, very sturdy. It looks like she may have made maybe three. She layered three, either that may be cardstock and cardstock, four layers of cardstock. That's why it's so sturdy. Awesome. Thank you so much, Becky. And let's look at this. Isn't that just adorable? Look at her poinsettia. She used, I don't know if that's glass glitter. That's what it looks like to me. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And look at these leaves at the bottom. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I don't know what dye that is, but that's beautiful. And then she cut this out. She put it on foam. Wow, that is so pretty. Love that paper. And I don't know what dye this is either, but it is a good, it is a you know, it's got plenty of room in there. That is so pretty. You know what? I may use this as part of my decor. That is so pretty. Becky, thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you have included. I really do. And let me show you one more time, guys, what Becky has included here. And the flowers, the shaker, which is so much fun. Oh, that is so cute. And then the tape runner. And then of course my candy, and that candy is already in my little caddy. So I'm gonna take a picture of that and then insert it at the end. Ladies, thank you so much. I really hope that you liked what I sent you, and you know, you've probably been using it already. I just didn't want to start using things until I opened the package for you ladies to see. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot. All right, guys, here is my little caddy with the candy on the top. Look at that. Oh, that looks so cute. And then I have put the chocolates down at the bottom. I'm probably going to move these to this little drawer and put the hot cocoa in this one. But look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Thank you, ladies. Y'all have a great day.